Okay. Hope you can see my screen. Yeah. So today's topic is first the strategy and execution model in an agile project. Okay. So when it comes to an agile project, so what is the strategy most of the organization follow? Because each organization follow different strategy in executing a project. Okay. So here I'm just putting a very high level diagram and giving an example, but I'm just telling you in prior that this execution model or the strategy, whatever I'm telling, may differ from organization to organization. For example, one organization may be having a little bit different, but not the entire way. Okay, so little bit different they may be using. So let me explain one by one. So here you can see this diagram. This is like a portfolio level diagram. So portfolio
Okay.
level item, portfolio level means see, multiple teams may be working. Okay, so multiple teams may be working towards a common goal.
Okay.
And when it comes to story level, the story level will be team level. So this will
Okay.
be only for your team mostly. And this will be across the organization. They will be having this portfolio. So this is the execution model and this is the timeline. For example, whatever mentioned in mentioned here, this is like a legend kind of thing. So whatever mentioned here in this color will be taking years to complete. Whatever mentioned in this green color may take months, and whatever mentioned in this light green color, it may take weeks to complete. And whichever mentioned in the red can take days to complete and hours to complete, whatever written in orange. Okay. So just for your understanding, I have differentiated here. And here always understand each level will have a goal and will be having different timelines here. Okay. So this upside triangle represents the time frame. So I have mentioned here also the time frame. Okay. So see, I told already what is an agile project and how it works, right? So consider we took the use case of an Amazon. So when it comes to Amazon, see the entire Amazon, not a single project, not a single team will handle. There may be multiple teams handling, right? So what they will be doing is the business owners, what they will do is they will create different themes. So themes means, see, themes is nothing but it's a very high level business goal. For example, introducing Amazon Pay. Okay, it may be a theme. So introducing Amazon Pay may be having integration with many other modules also, correct? Amazon Pay may be available in like the other options and many other like cash payment options. So many other teams may be using the same. So on the whole, this is like a strategic level. So very high level business goal will be called as a theme. So what they will do is this theme they will divide into initiative or epics. But some organization use initiative only, and that initiative they will further divide into epics. Okay, so just it is mentioned initiative or epics. And then what they will do is this epics they will divide into future. For example, future means it's nothing but the functionality. So Amazon Pay means the functionality is Amazon Pay wallet, right? So Amazon Pay wallet is in one functionality. So they may be having that as a separate future. And then that separate future they are going to divide into many. They are going to divide this future into user stories. So this is known as stories. Stories are nothing but it's a very short short level description, short level requirement you can tell. Okay. So this stories is what the team is going to exactly work within a sprint. I told already one sprint means it's a time boxed event of 2 weeks, right? So 2 weeks.
Yes.
So they are going to work in the story only for those 2 weeks. And then for each story, they will divide into different tasks. So these things I will be explaining slowly, but now try to understand the hierarchy. The hierarchy starts from theme, initiative or epic, and then that will be divided into future, and then story followed by task. Okay. Here you can see very well this theme, to complete a theme, it will take multiple years. A theme may be a very large business goal, very high level business goal. For example, Amazon Prime, we have introduced Amazon Prime, right? So in Amazon, so that may be a very big theme. Okay, so that introducing that itself, they would have taken it as a theme, and then they would have divided into initiative or epics, and that initiative or epics, to complete that, it will take months. And then this future, it will take weeks to complete. And the stories, I told already, a story should be small enough to be completed within a sprint. It should be small, okay, as much small as possible. So it may take like some days only. And when it comes to the story will be again decomposed into subtask or task. That may take few hours only. So this is the overall execution model in Agile project. So any doubts in this? Can we move it?
No doubts. I'm clear with this.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Now